Alright. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited because we're going to review the Amrezy new eyeshadow palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills, or ABH, which is a lot easier to say. I love the packaging. I had to get the I think it's kind of like the PR kit. It probably is. And because it's sparkly and it's pink, and I love pink so much. and I love sparkle. I am all about the bling. So anyway, it comes in this gorgeous and I'm going to show you inside what I'm excited about. But it comes in this gorgeous box. It's got like a little bow, a little ribbon, not bow. And then you open it and oh, and there it is. Look at that. Oh my gosh. It's so beautiful. And it comes, well, let's open it, huh? It comes with this mirror that is super blingy. Oops, let me see. I don't want to flip it around because I don't want to. Look at that. It's all full of little, what do you call those little diamonds? Little sparkles on there. It's so sparkly and fancy, and I absolutely love it. It's perfect size. Oops, again. I don't want to, but it's the perfect size to do your makeup and eyeshadow, so I had to get the whole thing. Usually I don't buy like the whole PR box, but this mirror and the bling just got me. So anyway, I'll stop drooling now. I'm going to go in and test out the palette and do some swatches and do an eye look and see what you guys think. See what I think, because literally it's the first time I opened it and just touched it. Now I'm going to play with it. So anyway, if you're new here, welcome. My name is Amrezy, and I would love if you would subscribe and ring that notification so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Well, here on my channel, we play with makeup, skincare, and all things beauty. So anyway, without further ado, let's get started. All right, so I zoomed you in super close so you can see exactly what I'm doing. Of course, I'm going to prime my eyes with the Pia Louise eyeshadow base. It's always important to prime your eyes. And put that on. Now that my eyes are primed, let me show you the actual box. This is what it looks like. It's gorgeous and sparkly. Ooh, that got dark pretty quick. And of course it's got its mirror. But here are the colors. Look at how beautiful that is. So pretty. And I'm going to go in with this one. It's like a cream. And take a fluffy brush and set. Put it all over my eye and set it. Okay, so there is kickback, but there's always going to be kickback with the ABH shadows. That's always their thing. The formula is like super nice, but it's got always the kickback to it. So what I wanted to do was kind of two looks, one more dramatic and one more like daytime. So let's start with the dramatic one. So I'm gonna take New York and put that as a transition base right there. As always, I make my own crease. To help with the hooded eye, I open my eye and then I'm looking straight ahead in the mirror, making sure that when I open my eye, I can still see color. Just like so. And so now I'm going to set that one aside. I'm going to go in with You Go, which is a strong dark brown. And I need to first trace where I want the color. So I'm just going to go right there. Kind of like if I were doing a wing, and then I'm going to go right there and kind of pack that in there. Now at first it's going to look really weird, but bear with me. So I'm going to pack that in there. See? And then I'm going to take that same brown and put it here. And then I'm just going to do lightly up here. And make sure I got a strong color. What I am going to do as well is put some powder under my eye. Make sure that I don't have any, in case I have any fallout. Okay, so I put some powder underneath and then I can just brush that off. So now that I have packed the color, make sure the color is just nice and opaque and intense where I want it, like so. Then I'm going to take my other fluffy brush I was using and go into New York again and kind of start blending that out. Kind of go up here just to kind of blend the top part out. And then I'm going to take that same brush, but I'm going to take off all the color, the extra color, and I'm just going to go in and lightly blend it out. If you feel like it got too light, then just, you know, pack that back on with the other side. And I'm going upward in up motion because we want to lift and we don't want the eye to be looking droopy. Now I'm going to take a cut crease brush, and this one is the Morphe 242S. And I'm going to take some Bowing Concealer by Benefit is what I'm going to use to cut my crease. If it'll focus back on me. And just I'll put a little bit on my hand. Like so. And then go in and cut my crease. So I'm going to just go, first I'll do a line towards the middle. Like that. Look up. And that'll tell me where I need to have where my cut crease needs to end. Then we're going to set it with packing brush. Again, I'm going into that pink, original pink I used. Just like that. And then I'll go in again with the brown bugle. I went a little crazy, so I wanted to correct, you know, to get that real spotlight effect. And now that we have the cut crease with the spotlight, I'm going to take this little flat brush. Oops. I'm going to take this little flat brush, looks like this, and spray it with some setting spray. And grab the blue, which is called Leo, and put that right here. Now we got that blue in the center, which looks super pretty. And I can't take credit for this look. I saw it on TikTok, and I really like the combination. The color, what do you guys think? Do you like it? Do you not? And I'm going to go in with a small little brush like this and go into 1988 and kind of go right here on the edge. Just to kind of blend that out a little bit. But then I'm going to take that same brush that I used the blue, and I'm going to use the other side, spray it again, and grab what's that? I think it's Liddy, which is a brown gold color. I'll put that right here. Just kind of to join one with the other. And now we have Liddy. It looks like it says Liddy. Right? Yeah. Now Liddy's a sparkling one. And she's a fancy one. Then I'm going to go in and put some eyeliner. I'm going to use this liquid eyeliner by Lime Life. I really like that it's got a really fine little bitty tip. Oop. I don't think you can see. It's got a, see how it's got a really small tip. And I'm going to stamp it on right there on the edge of my lashes. And this definitely requires a nice cat wing. Well, that's a cat wing. I think it went a little farther than I wanted it to, but once I open my eye, it looks good. I'm gonna switch liners because I do need a thicker liner. I know that's weird to say, but that wing looks a little weird. So I'm using the eyeliner, liquid eyeliner by ColourPop. And there we go. It's definitely a dramatic, very dramatic line. And then if you went too crazy, you could just clean that up. But I do like the dramatic line. That's a crazy. Brush off the, I'm glad I put some powder under my eye. There we go. With the cat eye. With the, and then for the bottom, I'm just gonna go into Yugo again, kind of mimic what I did on top. But again, because I have a hooded eye, I don't want to close off my eye. So instead, I'm gonna grab that little thin brush that I was using with the blue, put that right in the center there. And for the inner corner, I'm going to use, I think I'm going to go with Anastasia. That looks pretty sparkly. Wow. Yeah, that is pretty sparkly. So, looks more like a, Anastasia looks more like a topper. Let me see another color. I mean, that was Barb. I'm sorry, that was Barb. I'm going to try Anastasia on my hand. Maybe Anastasia should work. Otherwise, we can use a highlighter. No, Anastasia is better. Definitely. And since this eye is so dramatic, I'm going in with a pencil liner from MAC on my waterline. And that's the dramatic look. Oh no, sorry, missing some. I'm gonna use mascara, again, the one from MAC as well for my bottom lashes. Now we're done with this eye. What do you guys think? Do you like the halo? Now for the other side, we're just going to do something quick. That one took a little bit longer. For the other side, again, we're going to go in with, no, this one time we're going to go with OG. And this is going to be just a simple, oops, that one got a little crazy, OG. Kind of put that almost all over the eye. Okay. This is a quick, you can do that super easy, fast. And then we're going in with Gorgina. And with my finger, I'm just going to lightly tap in some of that beautiful sparkle. Or shimmer, I'm sorry. Do the shimmer like so. And for liner, I'm going in with this pencil by called Play by Glossier. And then I'm going to do that. It's like a gold coppery kind of gold with the top. Put that on the bottom lash. It's kind of a goldish tone. And for the top, I'm going to use this pencil by Laura Geller. And it's a brown. I'm just going to go on the lashes to give it some depth. And then take kind of a little smudge brush and just smudge that out. And bring it up a little bit. And down. On the top, I have eyelash extensions, of course, like I mentioned. So all I would need is some mascara for my lower lashes. And there we've got for the center of the lid. I'm going to go again with Anastasia to kind of highlight the inner corner, just to make my eyes look a little bigger. For my brow bone, I don't want anything that's really going to make my brow bone come out a lot. So I'm just going to go in again with that pink. What color is that one? Wasted. It's called Wasted. And put that here as well. And then with a clean brush, just make sure everything is blended out nicely. And that's it, just a simple eye, no frills, not as long as this. Okay, so I zoomed out and now we are done with the eyes. So I'm going to insert swatches here. Alright, so that is the look. I already did my face off camera. What do you guys think? Would you get the palette? This is kind of like the drama. And then this is like all innocent in daytime. So if you reached till now, thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.